Shane, service call. It's our next shop talk. Let's go.
All right, let me get my utility belt.
This week on Shop Talk, service calls. It's that time of the year, and for some reason it always gets popular in the summertime, so let's go. I really shouldn't say that summertime is the busiest time of year for service calls. Those are 24/7. But we have the capabilities to come out to you when your equipment's broke down, whether it be on the side of the road or in a normal drop yard. Our service truck, just like many others, is a mobile shop on wheels. We keep a full line of tools on the truck, and we keep many commonly stocked parts on the truck also. We'll do repairs on the side of the road, general maintenance in fleet yards, and everything in between. We have the setup to do it, and we can come right out to you in a timely fashion. So maybe summertime is the busiest time of the year for service calls. But again, who doesn't like to enjoy the weather while it's nice outside? Give us a call. We'll do our best to get you taken care of.